And welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chika Brown, a YouTuber based in Benin City, and this channel is basically about food, vlog, lifestyle, and DIY. If that sounds like what you like, I know you like it. Please kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, please, I've come to let me put a begging face. Like, I'm serious, guys. YouTube is taking my watch hours, but it's annoying. Like, it is annoying. Like, we are already 1 year and we all know what that means. So guys, please support my channel. From my analytics, look at it here. From my video analytics, I discovered that more than 80% of my channel viewers are not subscribed to my channel, and I'm asking why. Why? Subscription is 100% free. Trust me, it is 100% free. Is that, am I too ugly? Like, I'm being myself, like I'm real. I don't know. Is it that you hate me so much? Just in case you're from my village and you don't like me, please, Emma Bino, Ejo Biko, Bahalo, forgive me and subscribe to my channel. Like, I've journeyed on this street for a whole 1 year and we've not hit 1K yet, and YouTube is already taking my watch hours that has not gotten anywhere yet. I don't know, I don't want to complain, but you know, all the efforts, the great thumbnails, the nice videos, the data, the time, like the editing, like to edit is not even easy. Filming on its own is not easy. I know, yes, you didn't send me work, I understand, but please, I love you guys. Love me too. Please love me back. Love me back by subscribing. I'm begging you. Please. YouTube is taking my watch hours. And I have a lot of ads on my channel. And I don't know. Please support your girl now. So should I need that and beg you? If I need that and my head will not shake, please, I'm standing. Like, I don't know, just subscribe. Please. 80% is a whole lot. Like, 80% is a whole lot that you look at my video and you skip. You don't even subscribe. Like, just, it doesn't take like this. You just write subscribe. You now click that bell. It will now give you options. You now choose all. See, I'm gonna ban subscription like that now, and it will not cost you anything. Please, guys, support your girl. YouTube is taking my watch hours away, and I'm sad. I'm not happy. Please. I know I'm not very beautiful. Yes. No, I'm beautiful, Joe. Please, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you all. And for the ones that have subscribed, thank you for your subscription. Please, if you come across this video, please don't skip. Subscribe. Share me out. Help me grow. Please. Thank you so much for your cooperation. I really appreciate it. Thanks in advance.